we got the grand. I got the grand. About 300 in. We need an epic comeback. There's a couple of them dragons. 20 bucks. Oh, we got some J's for $2. We got some Kings. 27. Oh, where you at, dragon? Come on. There he is. Little piggies. Oh, 10s and 9s. We'll take them. 63 bucks. Let's go. Drop that major jackpot right here. Schmack.
1, 2, 3.
Nice. Hey, that's good. Nice. 89. Oh, that's a good start. Yeah, where you at, Buddha? Come on, Buddha. Ooh. Stop it. There we go. Buddha's nice. Almost a full screen basket. That's good. Nice, yeah. Alright, let's see if we can hit something else here. Go back up to 375 smacks. Let's see that link bonus. 2, 3, one more. It's trying. He's coming out. Let's try it. Let's see if we can get him right here. One and done. We need links. Where's he at? Come on. Come on, baby. 1, 2, one more. Yeah, where you at, buddy?
Good luck.
Thank you. Good luck to you. Yeah.
Still being tight on 10. I don't know.
Let's try some 1250s. Come on. Want to be tight? Pay big. Wow. Wow. That's 8. That's 7. That's $800 and 2 orbs. Oh. Woo. Come on. Yeah. Anyways, it was a fun night. We had a lot of fun. And that's what it's about, having fun. 2, 3 more. This major is gonna max out. Let's get some good energy going into this one. 625 bet, 5 cent denomination. Those are the progressives up there. Let's get it started. Come on, baby. And that is a horrible start. Right there is a good start. Alright. Okay. Let's see. 222. Nice. Again? Oh, yeah. That's what you're looking for. Dun dun dun. Da da dun da da dun da da dun dun dun. And the best singer on Instagram returns. Woo! 400. Nice. Couple more. There they go again. And Dragon Riches, baby. Nice. 2 more spins. Come on. 1, 2, One more. Let's get the major jackpot on this last spin right here for the jackpot hand pay. Links. Okay, we'll take it. Nice. 674. We are gonna cash out. We'll do some backup spins. 1 and 2. Thank you guys for watching.